What's up, Molly? If you, hello, my name is Alicia. I changed my name from Rice and to Alice. Okay, today we are playing Bee Swarm Simulator. I haven't touched this game in a long time, but I think it will work. I have not forgot the things that climb high. Wait, it's the Halloween object. No, it's the Halloween. How do I do? Open the egg menu and drag the egg menu into the wow, face it. Come on. Peek. This is taking too slow. Too slow, man. Me, take it upon me. I know. Ooh, man. The black bear, the black nigga. I am black nigga. Look, probably honey maker. That means I know a lot about honey. No time Come on. Change the mood. Hey, come on. That's the black bear. Oh, nice show here. Come on. So slow, man. Blah 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 blah. I need some quest. why can I not make honey? Come on, I'm pressing it. Do you understand me? Sorry. I just... Bro, I'm lagging. There. Guys, do you like these or not? If you like these, hit that like and subscribe button. If you hate these, hit comment. And if you really love these, kiss me. I'm just kidding. If you really love these, then do all. Then line Z is ready for black fire. Okay, let me just do this. Yeah, make it. Yeah, and I remember there has to be a royal jet here. New royal jet. Bumblebee. Gonna blow my ass or what? I think I'm gonna end it here. So that's it. I thought this game was really boring, so I just had to end it here. And if you want to see more Beast World, comment for Beast World. Say what you want. Okay. Okay, comment what game you want to see, okay? When I play it. Okay, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm Olive, and I'm out.